हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, फ्री स्टीम गेम्स and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to provide you with Canva Pro Invite, so without any further ado, let's get started. The URL is shown on the screen and will be in the description below also. Let's see how we can download the invite from the given link. Let me just go to the link and find the download button there. Let's scroll down a little bit and I think we'll see, yeah, there's a free download. Scrolling down, you can see that we have to wait for 15 seconds and again verify yourself that you're not a robot. Okay, fine, wait for 6 more seconds and then we can create our link. Create your link. Well done. Download link generated. Now click here to download. So we'll just click here to download and it's an ad. Very nice. Click again. What is this behavior? Now copy this URL and paste it in another tab. Finally. Now I'm gonna sign up with Google, but you can also log in here if you already have an account. I don't have it, so I'll have to make an account first. So in the email I'm gonna put Pbunified and in the password I'm gonna put something that I'm not gonna tell you. It's gonna be blurred, and once filled in password I'll click on next. As you can see that our account has been made, and as you can see here, it's Canva Pro. You will have a lot of templates to choose from. Welcome to your Canva Pro team. So it is the Pro version actually, and here you can design your there are a lot of things here: logos, posters. Let's see the features. We have design on the go, and you can simply get the Canva app by going to the link as shown on the screen and then scanning the QR code onto your device. Canva Pro includes everything in Canva plus unlimited folders for your designs, team functionalities, unlimited storage for photos and assets, upload your own image, access millions of photos including in your Canva Pro membership, exclusive access to 4 lakh free photos, illustrations and templates, magically resize your designs, upload custom fonts for your brand, set color palettes for your brand, save templates for you and your team, organize your photos with folders, easily find your design with search, resize designs into custom dimensions, download designs with transparent background, export designs as animated GIFs and priority support. You can have all of these features for free if you follow all the steps that we've just shown you now. If this invite link stops working, then let us know in the comments and we'll update the link immediately. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?